YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos on Hayward's Navigator V-Flex. This is a suction side pool cleaner. We're going to show you guys how to completely rebuild as well as do some basic quick fixes on the cleaner. Stay tuned. All right guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got Hayward's Navigator V-Flex. This is their suction side pool cleaner for in-ground pools. This is preferably made for gunite pools. As you guys can tell, I already have the A-frame kit with your wings and your pods already set off to the side. If you guys want to know how we got to where we are right now, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll have a playlist there for you guys on tearing this thing apart. Also another cool video in there on changing your shoes without actually having to remove anything. So for today's video, I want to show you guys how to remove the lower middle housing. So this is the housing that will sit right below or right above, let's say, because as you're going into the cleaner, the A-frame kit. So Hayward always had a thing where you're going to work from the outside into the cleaner so that there's not any way to actually remove the outer shells or anything like that. You guys actually have to come in from the bottom of the cleaner and work your way in. So once you guys have actually removed that A-frame kit with your pods and your wing set, you guys are going to be looking at this, this engine housing. So as you guys can see, you see your turbine here. And what you're aiming for are these 6 Phillips head screws on the side. So again, the only tool you basically need to fix anything on this cleaner is going to be a Phillips head screwdriver, which is really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and start removing these. I kind of pre-loosened them already. As I always tell you, which probably gets sick of hearing me say, is if you guys are going to be dealing with any kind of screws, if you guys are going to be actually tearing this thing apart, make sure you guys get away from the surface of the water so you guys don't drop those screws in the pool. And then obviously when you guys are reattaching the screws back onto the cleaner, make sure you're using a hand tool so that you guys don't over tighten and crack the plastic and have to redo this all over again with a different body cleaner. So again, we offer a full parts breakdown of this cleaner directly on our website. Again, the links will be in the description for you guys below the video. Go ahead and click on that. It'll take you directly there so you guys can see all of the parts that we offer for this specific cleaner, as well as the number correlated with them. So go ahead. I got 2 more screws. One big thing that I like about these little inside frames is that they do label them left and right, so you guys are aware that when you're putting everything back together, which side belongs to the left, which side belongs to the right. So obviously that way you can also tell the direction of the cleaner. So one more, let me take this out. So this will actually give you guys access in here to the turbine, to the gearbox, to a lot of other working parts in the cleaner that you guys will need. So when you pull it out, you'll realize that your gearbox assembly will actually fall out. It rests on the top of this housing, so it will fall out as you guys pull this thing out. So just be gentle. Last thing you're gonna do is pop this thing open. There's a lot of little gears in here that you guys don't want to actually end up seeing all over the floor. So this will give you full access now. You have the ability to remove your turbine. There is an additional gear spindle assembly in here, which we'll get to in a later video. But the main thing is this will allow you guys to actually swap out your full turbine assembly. So then that way you guys can make sure that this cleaner's functioning properly. So really simple. All you're doing is just removing those 6 screws, and then from there, this just drops out. You guys can see it's got little foam spacers in here. That's just helping keep everything together so that you're not actually over tightening any of the plastic. So that's what those are nice for. Make sure that those are actually in place. Don't remove those. Make sure that they stay there for you guys. But just want to show you that quick fix video. Obviously, if you guys are going to be replacing anything, you're just putting it back together the same way that we took it apart. Make sure you guys stay tuned. We're going to have more videos coming your way on actually doing some more repairs, get to the actual shell of the cleaner. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I really appreciate you guys watching. I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.